Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that when you just try to something purchasing from your Apple Pay and they're saying that your Apple Pay is not working right now and they're getting the error. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how why that issue is happened with you. So the basic thing is that your network issue and something the glitches of the iOS. So make sure that you just follow all these steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix that issue. So you just have to just go into the settings of the iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just go to general section and it's going to software update and then update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So many users facing issue because they cannot update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after that is go back and just scroll it down and it's going to the transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. After that is go back again back and it's going to the Apple Pay. So if you don't find the Apple Pay, so see the option of a wallet. So if you don't find option of a Apple Pay or wallet, just simply search for Apple Pay. Apple Pay. So you see the wallet and Apple Pay. Just click on that and just make sure you just add the card and just try to something purchasing. If you're not gonna solve after that, you just restart your iPhone and again on it. So after that, you just again to go to settings and just going to your Apple ID and just try to log out your Apple ID. Just going to the settings, go to Apple ID and just log out your Apple ID and again login. After login, you're just going to the Apple Pay and try to something purchase. So after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.